Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So very few days are left for your examination. September 16, it is a tentative date which has been announced by Higher and Technical Education Minister Uday Samant sir. So guys, give your best to crack Maharashtra Law CET 3 years or 5 years. Target top law colleges. Okay, so in this video I will discuss what are the planning you need to do for these remaining days to crack Maharashtra law CET examination, and we have also made a strategy video how you should study for Maharashtra law CET examination for these last approx 30 days. Okay, so if you want to watch that video, we have uploaded on our YouTube channel, so you can watch that video too. Okay, 5 years का भी आ जाएगा. And in this video I will also discuss law CET exam motivation, what should be the goal of yours for these remaining days, which college you should dream for your law course. Okay, now before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years, 5 years, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLATE, A-LATE for year 2021 and 22. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455, or you can also visit to our website manwarradio.com/law entrance. Now guys, let us discuss about preparation planning for law examination. So very important is study material. राइट स्टडी मटेरियल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन, और जब आपके पास टाइम कम हो तो ये ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है एग्जाम क्लियर करने में. एंड गाइडेंस इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, जो आपको टाइम टू टाइम बताए कि कहाँ आप गलती कर रहे हैं, व्हाट यू शुड डू टू इम्प्रूव. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस टाइम टेबल. In this time, how much time you should give to each particular section, you need to make your timetable and you need to stick to that timetable. Then only you can score good marks in your examination, and after that only you will get top law colleges. So timetable is also very essential in your exam preparation planning. After that, mock test. Okay, with the mock test you will learn about what are the stronger sections of yours, what are the weaker sections of yours. You will learn about time management, that in which particular section how much time it is to be given, and you will be confident about the examination that yes, you have prepared well. Now after this, revision is the key. अगर आप बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टडी कर रहे हो, रीड कर रहे हो, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट डूइंग रिविजन, देन आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छा नहीं जा सकता है. बिकॉज बहुत सारा डेटा स्टडी करने के बाद अगर आप वो डेटा भूल गए और रिवाइज नहीं किया तो दिक्कत आ सकती है. ओके, सो रिविजन मस्ट, एटलीस्ट 2 बार तो रिविजन होना ही चाहिए. नाउ आफ्टर दिस, मोटिवेशन. गाइज ये तो लगता ही लगता है, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टाइम बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स सोचते हैं कि छोड़ दूँ या फिर क्या करूँ, डिलीमा में रहते हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम यू नीड टू बी मोटिवेटेड. यू मे फीलिंग low, you may feeling you have high pressure, okay, but you need to take steps to succeed. You need to be motivated throughout this preparation journey. We at Manwar, we provide mentorship. You can talk to your mentor and mentor will help you, mentor will guide you, and he will also motivate you that you can do it. So this is the mantra, with that you will get success. Okay, now after this, goal setting. What is your goal to target top law colleges? Whether you are law 3 years or law 5 years, आपका टारगेट होना चाहिए GLC, ILS पुणे, प्रवीण गांधी लॉ कॉलेज, आडवाणी लॉ कॉलेज, बाला साहेब आप्टे लॉ कॉलेज. ये सारे टारगेट आपको करना है. यू नीड टू सेट योर गोल, यू नीड टू ड्रीम अबाउट दैट कॉलेज, एंड यू शुड ड्रीम दैट you are doing studies in that college. So that is your ultimate goal. Now let me guide you guys where you will get all the study material, mock test, books. Okay, so guys, here is our website manwarradio.com. just click on buy online, click on law entrance. So this kind of a page will open. You will see full course, books, study material, you will see mock test, sectional course, and after that just click on full course show packages, and here this kind of a page will open. So here Maharashtra Law CET 3 years 2021, in this you will get video lectures, mock test, practice PDF. So this is for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years. After that, Maharashtra Law CET 5 years 2021, in this also you will get video lectures, mock test, practice PDF, where you can practice all the things. This is for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years. Guys, if you start your preparation early, then you have very high chances to get selected in top colleges. So you can start your preparation early. So we have Turbo Excel Law Entrance Program 2022. In this you will get video lectures, mock test, 200 plus tests and handouts. You can prepare for CLAT, Maharashtra Law CET, SLAT, ALET and other law entrance examination. If you want to prepare for DU LLB Classic Program 2021, Delhi University Law Program, so you can get all the things in this. And if you are planning to give Maharashtra Law CET 5 years in 2022, you will get video lectures plus mock tests. So in this 150 mock test, topic test and plus 15 full length mock test plus handout is also there. For Maharashtra Law CET 3 years 2022 also it is there. In this you will get video lectures, mock test, 118 mock test is there, topic test is there, 15 full length mock test will be there plus handouts. And if you want to prepare for, अगर आप 10th standard के बाद 11th standard में जा रहे हैं and from there only you want to prepare for law entrance examination for 2023, so we have Turbo Excel program. With this you can prepare for CLAT, Maharashtra Law CET, SLAT, ALET, DULLB and other law entrance examination. Now if you want to study only from books, so you can get books and study material also. Just click on show packages. So this kind of a page will be there. So we have books for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years books, we have books for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years books, and also we have all set of 5 books for all law entrance examination like CLAT, Maharashtra Law CET, SLAT, ALET and other law entrance examination. Okay, if you want to study from ebooks, so we have ebook facility also. So in this we have ebooks for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years and ebooks for 5 years also, and ebooks for all law entrance examination like CLAT, Maharashtra Law CET, SLAT, ALET and other law entrance examination. Okay, and if you want section wise ebooks, like you want ebooks for English section, so you can get ebook for say English section. If you want ebooks for reasoning, so you can get it for reasoning also, and general studies is also there. Okay, after this quantitative aptitude ebook is also there, legal aptitude ebook also there. We have all the books as well as ebooks, you can get it from us. Now if you are lacking in a particular section like इंग्लिश में अगर आप लैक कर रहे हो या मैथ्स में लैक कर रहे हो, सो वी हैव सेक्शनल कोर्स ऑल्सो. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेक्शनल कोर्स, शो पैकेजेस. Okay, so this kind of a page will open. After this, if you want sectional course for legal aptitude for Maharashtra Law CET, CLAT, DULLB, other law entrance, English, logical reasoning also we have, GK and current affairs is also there, elementary mathematics, verbal and critical reasoning is also there. अगर आप 2022 के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं and you are feeling that you are weak in particular section, then you can get sectional course for legal aptitude, English, logical reasoning, GK and current affairs, elementary mathematics, quants, verbal and critical reasoning. Okay, now if you are thinking that you have prepared well and you want to analyze yourself, so give the mock test. So we also provide mock test facility. Just click on mock test, show packages. So this kind of a page will open. After this, so we have law entrance mock test. So Maharashtra Law CET 3 years, so mock test booster. In this 6 sectional mock test, 4 mini mock test and plus 10 full length mock test. And after that Maharashtra Law CET 5 years mock test booster. In that 6 section, 4 mini and plus 10 full length mock test is also there. So with all this study material, your complete preparation will be there for 2021 as well as 2022. So all the books, all the sectional course, mock test, you can get it from us. If you want to prepare for law entrance for 2021 and 22, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manuaredu.com/law entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. You can subscribe to this channel also. All the social media handles link, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.